This video looks at how to solve a system of linear equations using matrices. Let's consider these equations with three unknowns. We can now solve using matrix multiplication. First, we need to enter the matrix of coefficients in run matrix. For the inverse, scroll outside the bracket and press the reciprocal. To find the inverse, press execute. Now we can continue the calculation. To pre-multiply, press matrix, answer, and multiply the inverse by the matrix of solutions. Then press execute. As the inverse of the matrix of coefficients exists, the equations are consistent and a unique solution is found. The calculation can also be performed without finding the inverse first, and this method can also be used for saved matrices.